This tutorial will show you how you can insert the videos that you've downloaded off YouTube and then also start the process with managing or editing the time durations on each of these slides. Alright, so to start off, what we want to do is we actually want this video to play at this section. So what I've done is I've gone through, followed the tutorial on how to download the video, and I've got it here. So I'm just going to insert that in. Now what I want to do is I don't want to have a big 3-minute video like this. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a section that will probably go for, let's just say, so we'll split the clip. So that goes for 1 minute and 6 seconds. So that's still quite a bit of time, but however, we can modify that from there. So the first thing we want to do is, because we'll have a voiceover and background music, we want to detach the audio and delete it. Alright, so then when it plays, okay, you know the video. We also don't want to have that start section, so we can split the clip there, delete. So it's just making sure that you keep reviewing your videos and editing them what you need. Okay, so there's two ways we can make that shorter. The first way is we can go into this little speed function here, and we can go fast. So now that's brought it back to 44 seconds. Alright, so we can delete our last one, and then it'll go from our introduction straight into the video where we can talk about maybe some of the training effect or energy systems linked to touch and overtraining. Again, you can adjust that using the slider. You can bring that in or out depending on what you want to do. If you don't want to make it fast, you can just do normal, and you can slow it right down and only include whatever type of seconds you want. If based on your script that video only requires 13 seconds, then you can just put 13 seconds on there, and then you have it there. Alright, when you're doing your introduction, if you know that it's definitely going to be longer than 3 seconds, okay, if it's something like 30 seconds, then you type in 30 in that duration and you hit enter. So then when you start to play it, okay, you've got your little title page. It'll go into your introduction for 30 seconds, then it can go into your video that you've outlined it to go for 13 seconds, where you're talking about the energy systems used and in what skills is those energy systems mainly used in. Okay, so from there you can see that we've now edited each of the images so they are fit. We've also modified the video so it's the exact length we want. We've added in transitions. The next thing we need to do is we need to add in a voiceover. So this is why your script is very important and you know the timing. The way it's going to work is you'll click this microphone button. Alright, once you hit, you can see that my testing, it's hearing that now, and I'll hit the red button to record. Now I can start just going over my introduction, talking about training effect, touch football energy systems, and a personal touch-specific recovery program. That will include a timeline, recovery methods, nutrition, overtraining, etc. And here is our video that we're going to play. So you can see that you can keep recording, and then if you make a mistake, you can just hit stop. You can actually review a timeline, recovery methods, nutrition, overtraining. If you made a mistake, you can just split that clip, hit delete, and you can record again. So from this point I needed to talk about the personal touch specific recovery program, the timeline, etc., and then you hit stop. So basically for each section you can just do a little voiceover to make sure that it's perfect and you have no mistakes or no sections where you're just blabbering on or there's wasting time. Alright, remembering that we want to try and keep these in that 4-minute region.